Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial for completing assessment task 2, which is the vice drawing. So having a read through, it became clear that we need to draw the 4 labelled parts in orthogonal. But as we've known already, the best way to do that is actually draw the part and then convert it. So in this first video I'm going to show you how to draw all 4 parts, and in the second video I'll show you how to dimension them. So first one we're going to start off with is the jaw assembly. Again, taking my create a sketch, selecting the plane, and the first size for this part is going to be a rectangle, and just come off the centre here, and it's going to be a height of 50 millimeters by 100 millimeters, like so. So what we've got here. Next part we're going to do is we're going to draw 2 circles, and the diameter of these circles is going to be 8 millimeters. I'm just going to randomly place them at the moment. We'll move them in a second. So first thing we're going to do, dimension. We want these a distance of 25 millimeters off the edge, like so. And again with this one, 25 millimeters in the way. And then from here, what we're going to be after is 12.5 millimeters. Once you've got that and all these sizes match up, that's that sketch complete. And then we're just going to take the extrude tool. As always, we can pull it out of the way, but the size we want to take it to is 12 millimeters. And that there is your jaw assembly. So what I will need you to do is make sure you save that, and we're just going to save that as the jaw assembly. And we can save. I'm going to leave it open so I can use it later on, and then I'm going to move on to the second part, which is the side plate. So again, that is going to be this section here. Nice and simple, this part. Create a sketch, select the front, and this time the box is going to be 90 millimeters and 90 millimeters, like so. This time I'm going to stop and I'm going to finish the sketch, and going off the information from the drawing, we are going to extrude it this time to 6 millimeters, like so. And we have this taper here, which we've calculated to a taper of, or a chamfer of 20 millimeters. So we are just going to take the chamfer tool, just move my drawing over a bit, select the corner, and I'm just going to set the distance in here to 20, and finish and save like so. And again, I'm just going to save that, and that is going to be our side plate. Again, the first couple of pieces are very simple, especially this one coming up, and that is going to be our top plate here. Now in the drawings, it's asking us to leave a 1 millimeter sliding distance. That means here, to allow for that part to slide in and out, we're going to make it 64.5. So again, select, take the part, and then this time, my rectangle will be 64.5 high and 90 millimeters wide, like so. And we're going to stop that sketch. We're going to extrude it to 6 millimeters and complete it. And believe it or not, that's that piece done. So we can save that, and that will be our top plate. Now the last piece, which is the base plate, that is the most complex part, so that will take a little bit more time. But anyway, won't waste much more time. So open up a new file, new sketch, and I'm going to take it on the bottom this time. Again, I'm going to start with my rectangle tool, and my box this time is going to be 124 by 150. Like so. Now, with mine, I'm just going to have to zoom out. It's a little bit too far. Just zoom out to get that in screen a little bit better. So as we can see in the drawing here, we have 4 holes on the outside, and we can actually see for the end elevation here there is actually a hole running through the centre which we'll need to place. But to start, I'm just going to worry about these 4 here. Now I've calculated these holes to be 12mm in diameter, so we're going to take our circle tool, like so, and we are going to select just random in the corner, 12mm, and I'm just going to do that another 3 times. Now if you wanted, you could extrude this and then put the circles in, but this is just going to save us another process. And we can place that here, which is 12mm. So important sizes here. Off the short side, the 124, we want the distance from the centre of the circle to the edge to be 12mm, and the reason we want that is we can actually see it here on the drawing. So short edge there, we want 12. Again here, we want, so again about the same with these 2 over here. So now this time on the long edge, the size is actually 15. So outside edge up, I'm going to have that at 15. There's a lot of numbers here. If they're starting to confuse you, feel free to delete the ones that you don't need. And we'll have them there. And while we're on here, I'm going to put the centre one in, which I've calculated to be 8mm. So roughly in the middle, 8, like so. And again, we're just now going to place this in the centre. So I'm going to work off the widest point. So half of 150 would be 75. So it's like that here. Bring up, not far off, but change it to 75. And then we're going to do short edge in, and that's going to be a distance of 62, like so. And we can stop the sketch. Again, everything's there. We can just change our angle, and we're going to extrude it. Now, as long as we don't select any of the circles, we only want to do this, the main face. And again, like everything else, that is a distance of 6. But the only thing we now need to do is we now need to draw in the angles or the radius on the corners. We also need to put a slight taper on the underside, which is easy enough to do. So in here, what we're now going to do is we're going to take the modify and we're going to fillet the edges. And again, I'm just going to move that across. So at the moment, we're selecting the edges. That would be the wrong one. Again, if you feel you have to zoom in, you can. Again, if you select the one you don't want, just press or click it again. And to select more than one, we'll hold down the shift key and select all 4. And the radius for this part is going to be 12. And here we can see they're rounded like so. And that'll give us it there. This time, I'm going to draw on the back face, so I just need to spin my work around, and I'm going to chamfer in here, like so. Then going on my chamfer, I'm going to aim for a 2mm and save it like so, and we'll have that underside. Now that there is your completed base plate. So again, we're just going to save that. I'm going to save that as my base plate. So what you should have now at the top, you should have your assembly, your jaw, you should have your side plate, your top plate and your base plate complete. Before moving on to the next video, please ensure that all steps have been completed and all 4 drawings have been saved.